David rolls a fair dice 24 times. How many times would David expect to roll a 4? So let's just get a bar ready, and that bar is going to represent our 24 times. Now I need to figure out how many times, what is the probability of rolling a 4? So on a dice, there's either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So the probability of rolling a 4 is 1 out of a total of 6 numbers. So that's the probability. So I want a sixth of 24. So now I'm going to use my bar, and I'm going to split this into sixths. And I want a sixth of 24, so I need to do 24 divided by 6, which is 4. I only want one of those because I want 1/6. So we would expect to roll a 4 4 times.